In 2021, NASA's Ingenuity helicopter made history, flying on Mars for the first time. But it almost didn't happen. A crucial sensor failed, but NASA's engineers reprogrammed it using a smartphone's parts, a Samsung Galaxy processor and Google Pixel sensors. Against all odds, it broke speed, distance, and altitude records, transforming the future of exploration. But after a hard landing, Ingenuity's blades broke. The cause? A stress torque during the crash. But NASA's problem-solving genius turned tragedy into triumph. Introducing Chopper, a next-gen Mars helicopter with reinforced blades, ready to explore the planet like never before. Subscribe to witness the future of space exploration.